Hey, it's nice to have you back here in this new video. In our previous episode, I have already shared with you my in-depth, personal, brutal, honest review on this product. This is actually the OBSBOT Tiny 2, a brand new webcam that supports up to 4K 30 fps and a 1/1.3 inch sensor, and a large image sensor that supports native dual ISO that literally generate premium video quality in both sunlight and low light scenarios, and also support the dual native ISO that generate HDR video in real time in 4K resolution as well. So this is definitely one of my favorite webcam in the year 2023. And just a few days ago, I have received the firmware upgrade on this OBSBOT Tiny 2. This webcam now officially supports HDR function, but more importantly, this OBSBOT Tiny 2 also supports the 2.4 GHz remote control. They give you full function to control every function in great detail. One thing that makes this OBSBOT more exciting, that is a new accessory I'm gonna share with you later in this video. That is a true UVC to HDMI converter that also has some unique design in the detail. The OBSBOT Tiny 2 is a 4K webcam that transfers the video and audio via the UVC and the UAC protocol. That is to say, you can only cable connect this PTZ webcam and transfer the signal to your PC or Mac, and use your PC or Mac and reproject to your TV set or your projector. Sometimes, for the online meeting scenarios, what we want is to directly transfer the video and audio signal directly into our giant screen, such as a TV set or a large projector that's literally support this OBSBOT Tiny 2 in multi-person online meeting scenarios. And at this moment, the only solution for this scenario is to cable connect with USB-C cable to your computer. And then transcode the signal to HDMI port or the display port and reproject to your TV or projector. It is way too complicated and it's overkill. It's definitely overkill. So for this function, the OBSBOT deliver a very unique solution that could literally transfer or convert the UVC protocol into an HDMI signal. That is to say, you can now with this converter, you can directly transfer the Type-C port to your TV set. This is really a breathtaking converter, and it is also cross-compatible with any other USB webcam product that has a UVC or UAC port. This is pretty exciting for me. That is to say, this accessory is compatible with OBSBOT Tiny 2 and the Insta360 link. Well, let's talk about this. Now let's tear down this product and share with you every detail that I have learned from this product. Okay, first let's take a look at the package. First let's take a look at the package. The OBSBOT Tiny 2, this 4K OBSBOT UVC to HDMI adapter. This adapter could literally transfer the UVC signal to HDMI output that you can finally use a single box to display your high quality video into your giant screen in your online meeting scenarios. And what's in the package is an adapter, a USB-C cable, a user manual, and a warranty card. Looks exactly like what you have in the OBSBOT Tiny 2. This is the C to C cable. It's very long, built with high quality, and it is a user manual. I mean, this user manual is really important, and you can download this user manual on the official website on the OBSBOT. This is something that how to connect to. This is a pretty useful introduction, the overview, parts info, and how to connect this adapter to your computer to transfer UVC to HDMI. And the user manual is very short, and before you really put this adapter into your real-world scenario, remember to download the latest firmware, upgrade your OBSBOT Tiny, and update your OBSBOT adapter to the latest edition, that to guarantee that all the things you connect to each other are cross-compatible. Okay, well, you can find this firmware in the OBSBOT official website, and I will also cite this firmware down in the description. Okay, now let's take a look at this adapter. This is a small, looks pretty identical with your bank card or identification card. This is a UVC to HDMI port, but it's quite different. I mean, you can actually get or purchase a UVC to HDMI adapter, but this one is quite different from any other product because there's something that is designed only for the OBSBOT product line. I mean, take a look. This one is an HDMI port output, a full-size HDMI output that with HDMI cable, you can cable connect, transfer the high-definition video audio directly to your giant screen. But what differentiates this product to any other competitors is this one. As you can see, there are 3 ports, a 2 Type-C port and a USB-A port. Well, if you take a look at this, you can see different icon or mark on the surface of the OBSBOT adapter. Well, you should charge via this adapter, via this USB-C cable to charge or to power your OBSBOT webcam. I mean, you have to power the OBSBOT webcam at the same time transfer the UVC video into this box. I mean, so via this Type-C port. Okay, so take a look. You can power your OBSBOT via the Type-C port on the top and transfer the UVC signal via Type-C port on the bottom. Then you can cable connect to the computer, and if you just open up the OBSBOT webcam, you can see the video and audio in real time. So what is the USB-A port designed for? This is designed for the wireless receiver of the remote controller on the OBSBOT Tiny 2. That is to say, the UVC to HDMI adapter for the OBSBOT product line is not just a converter or is not just an adapter, but it also be doubled as a USB hub that support USB-A. So with the USB-A, you can directly connect to any other devices. I mean, like a U-Disc or the remote controller receiver via 2.5 GHz. Or you can even insert your mouse, your keyboards, or anything you want, because this OBSBOT, this adapter is not just a converter, it's not just an adapter, but it is also be designed as a USB hub that equipped with a single USB-A port in the middle of the 2 Type-C ports. So this is a multifunctional design, and it feels a little bit hard in long-term recording because it's designed with some heatsink on the top and bottom. And yes, that is how you can use this UVC to HDMI adapter into your workflow. Definitely alleviate your online meeting scenarios that take the full advantage of this OBSBOT Tiny 2 that with the built-in a large image sensor, a stereo microphone pickup button, and a lot more exciting features that are already covered in our previous review on this product. So, I mean, if you want to simplify your workflow, to simplify your online meeting experience, this OBSBOT official UVC to HDMI adapter is your best choice. Okay, that is my personal brief review on this adapter, and I do hope this video can be helpful for you. And if you want to know more about this product, you can refer to my previous review. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Talk to you soon. Bye.